The wrong relationships just prepare you for the right one. And when the right one comes, you'll be thankful the others didn't work out. Nothing as beautiful as seeing someone who has been unlucky in relationships finally being loved effortlessly by the right person. A man that loves you can't be taken away from you. No matter how many girls throw themselves at him, remember that. Once the heart gets too heavy with pain, people don't cry. They just turn silent, completely silent. Honestly, if a man wants you, you won't have to ask for effort. He'll make time, he'll call you, he'll text you. Trust me. An entire sea of water can't sink a ship unless it gets inside the ship. Similarly, the negativity of the world can't put you down unless you allow it to get inside you. Invest your time in someone that makes you feel appreciated, even on your worst days. That's real love. Your next man is going to love you in ways you didn't even know was possible. Wait for him. With the right person, you don't have to work so hard to be happy. It just happens. Imagine being with someone who makes you believe in love again. Someone who treats you right this time. A real man never insults his lady in front of anyone, not even as a joke. If you love someone, pray for them, pray for their peace, pray for their growth, pray for their success, pray for their happiness. Normalize marrying to a man who isn't financially stable. You can grow together. Don't put pressure on men. Having a supportive partner can literally change your life. The first step to getting anywhere is deciding you're no longer willing to stay where you are. A woman never forgets how a man treated her during the time she needed his support the most. One day, someone will walk into your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. In the end, all we want is someone who will choose us and will keep on choosing us even on our worst times. That's love. You can't replace a woman that gives you both wifey and best friend vibes. That shit is rare. Imagine recovering from a toxic relationship and finding someone who actually treats you right. A man will change his ways for you if he wants you. Remember that.